Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and lately there's been a slew of introductions of future trucks, electric trucks. We all know, all waiting to hear about the Tesla Model Y and hopefully a Tesla truck. I made a video yesterday or the other day about a Ford truck. They announced 2020, I believe, Ford F-150 all-electric truck. Rivian had a big introduction, taking reservations for next year's, I believe, Rivian truck. Very impressive. Atlas XT, also talking about all-electric truck. Really monster. It looks like a monster truck, actually. And yesterday, Mary Barra from GM announced that not only there's going to be soon a surprising announcement of a Chevy truck. Kind of look like a Silverado. I don't know how it looks like. Not only an all-electric Chevy truck, but she said, and I quote, GM future is all-electric. It's all-electric. Okay, now, I have a motto in life. You know, when you get older, you learn a thing or two. I have a motto in life says, sometimes you do things by design and sometimes you do things by default. Either way, if you get to the right conclusion and the right path, what difference does it make how you did what? So, is it a reaction to the announcement of Tesla truck or SUV soon? Is it the Ford announcement? Is it other announcement? Is it like just a wishful thinking? And who knows? We know that GM and Ford are investing a lot of money in electrification, batteries and technology and all that. But I always like to the sentence, "Show me the money." Give GM credit. They produced and sold more than 200,000 Volt and Bolts since 2010, I believe. That's impressive, Did they go out of their way to try to sell them? No. Is it part of their mission? Probably not. But whatever that is, that's the result. Ford sold a lot of plug-in hybrids. They just stopped making them and selling them lately. But they did sell a lot, over 100,000, I believe. But is it going to be an all-electric future like Mary Barr said or Ford announced a few days ago? We don't know. We shall see. It will be wonderful. It's great. I mean, is it a reaction to Tesla and what this Tesla has achieved? It could be. Does it make a difference? Not really. As long as it's done, I don't care. But it's interesting. It's now four. You got the Ford, you got the GM, you got the Rivian, you got the Atlas XT, and we'll see about Tesla will be the fifth one. All right. Have you heard something? Have you read something that I don't know? Please share with me, share with us. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to this awesome channel. Help me change the world one electric truck at a time. Oh, there's a truck. I will never buy a truck. And support this channel by becoming a patron. All right, guys, see you tomorrow.